So grade 3, as you remember last time, we went to Paul's birthday. Paul had a lot of presents. We said that he had a lot of presents from Sud, from Sammy, from Vicky, from Maha, and from Biff and his grandmother and grandfather and his parents. So after we knew about all these presents, we wonder what's inside the presents. So let's have this game together. See grade 3? Open now your class book, page 6. We have all these presents from Paul's friends. Let's see, what is it? دايما نسأل هذا السؤال لما نريد نعرف وش داخل. What is it? What is it? For example, number 1. It is a football. So where is the football here? Let's first write them all here. Okay? And we will have our pen. Where is our beautiful pen? Here. Yeah. So number 1, it is a football. So where is the present? The present that has a football? Yes, the letter A. So it is a football. What is it? It is a football. عرفنا إنه السنتنس تنتهي بفول stop and the question ends with question mark. Okay? Number 2, it is a watch. A watch. What is it? It is a watch. Where is the watch? The watch, we wear it here in our hands, between or in our wrist. Where is it? E, G, G. Yes, the G sound. This one. Let's write it here. G sound. 3. What is it? It is a bike. A bike is a very beautiful thing. We ride it to go a lot of places. What is it? B. Good job, grade 3. P, 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 P. Number 4. What is it? It is a kite. A kite means something that can fly away. It has many beautiful colors. What is it? It is a kite. Where it is? Where? D? C. Good job, grade 3. It is C. Again, what is it? A question mark. It is a jigsaw. نقطعها الكلمة. Jigsaw. And we have a full stop here. It is a jigsaw. Jigsaw, what does it mean? Let's search it on the internet. Let's write a jigsaw. I don't know what does it mean, a jigsaw. Let's search on the internet and see what a jigsaw is. The internet is very slow. Okay, here it is. Let's write it. So grade 3, a jigsaw puzzle. Jigsaw puzzle is a very fun game. We put a picture together with small pieces. Where is the jigsaw here? Guess where is the jigsaw? Okay, let's put this together. Where is the jigsaw? We have our pen. Is it E, Suits presents? It is a jigsaw. It is F sound. What is it? What this thing here? It is a fish. A fish. What is it? A question mark. It is a fish. Full stop. Where is the fish? E sound. We have one present left. Let's write its sentence, okay? Let's put it here فوق في الصفحة. What is it? It is a what? Guess what is it? Something that is made of metal. Robot. It is a robot. Like a very smart robot. خلاص خلصنا الحين ما نسينا شيء. This is a sentence. وش بعد ناقصنها؟ Full stop. Good job, grade 3. Thank you for listening. Now, let's continue